Lesson 20. In this presentation, we'll be introduced to the third declension and take a look at third declension nouns in kappa. So far, each of the nouns we have seen has had the same stem throughout its declension. For instance, a noun like logos has the stem log throughout its declension in all of its cases and numbers. Logos, lagou, logo, etc. Nominative, genitive, dative, singular. This is not the case, though, with nouns of the third declension. They do not have the same stem throughout their declension. Let's take a look at a noun like pullaks, pullakos, ha, guard. This is a masculine noun of the third declension. As usual, the first thing that we see in the lexical entry here is the nominative singular. That's what we'd expect. But here we get an additional piece of information. It's actually going to be the genitive singular form, really the genitive singular ending, along with the new stem that we see. So this akos is short for pullakos. This is a sort of abbreviation that we see usually in lexicons. So pullaks, nominative singular, pullakos, genitive singular. And as usual, we see the form of the definite article that indicates the gender, ha here, masculine, and then the definition, guard. So we're going to take a look at this noun throughout its declension. So how do we get the stem for a noun of the third declension? Well, we take a look at that genitive singular ending and we drop the os ending, which is basically the ending for the genitive singular of third declension nouns. So we drop the os and get pullak, and we plug that into all of the cases and numbers to get pullak throughout all of these. And then we add what are our typical third declension endings. And these are those endings: sigma, os, I, a, s, on, si, as. We've seen similar things, especially in the plural here, but the singular endings are going to be new to the third declension. Moreover, we have some changes. So pullaks there, you can probably hear it in the singular nominative, is actually going to be, we're going to see a sound change here. Kappa plus sigma equals xi, of course. So pullaks with the kappa and sigma is going to change to pullaks with the xi there. And we're going to see the same thing happening down here in the plural dative, where the kappa and sigma merge into xi to get pullaksin. So this is why we see something different in the nominative singular in the lexical entry for these words. So pullaks, pullakos, ha, guard. For the forms of these third declension nouns in kappa, you can take a look at page 28 in the grammar. Thank you.